Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're in the laundry business or thinking about starting one. Let me introduce you to the laundry management system with SMS notifications and mapping features, built using PHP and MySQL. This system is designed to streamline and automate all your laundry business operations, making it easier for you to manage customer orders, track laundry status, and even notify your customers via SMS when their orders are ready for pickup or delivery. Whether you're running a small laundry shop or managing multiple branches, this system is fully scalable and customizable to fit your needs. Plus, since it's built with PHP and MySQL, it's both powerful and reliable, with an easy-to-use interface that anyone can navigate. The laundry management system with SMS notifications is an innovative solution designed to enhance the efficiency and customer service of laundry businesses by leveraging PHP and MySQL technologies. This comprehensive system automates various aspects of laundry operations, including order management, tracking, and customer notifications. By integrating SMS capabilities, it ensures that customers receive timely updates about the status of their laundry, from pickup to delivery. The system's user-friendly interface and robust back-end functionalities streamline business processes, making it an ideal choice for both small-scale laundry shops and large-scale operations seeking to optimize their services and improve customer satisfaction. The laundry management system with SMS notifications includes a range of features designed to optimize laundry business operations. It facilitates comprehensive customer management, allowing for the creation and maintenance of detailed customer profiles. Employee management is streamlined to manage staff information effectively. The system supports service and service item management to handle various laundry services and items. Pricing management allows for the configuration of service and item pricing. Transaction management and transaction details management ensure accurate tracking and recording of all transactions and their specifics. Additionally, SMS notifications keep customers informed about their order status, enhancing communication and service efficiency. Check out the video to discover how to use the laundry management system with SMS notifications. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through all the key features and functionalities of the system, from setting up customer and employee profiles to managing services, pricing, and transactions. You'll learn how to effectively track and handle laundry orders, configure pricing details, and use the SMS notifications to keep your customers updated on their order status. Don't miss out on this detailed tutorial. Watch now to streamline your laundry business operations and improve your customer service. Thank you so much for watching our video on the laundry management system with SMS notifications. We appreciate your time and interest in exploring how our system can streamline your laundry business operations and enhance customer service. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Have a great day.